So just say for the inventory management, we say we use the EOQ. We use the economic order quantity to manage inventory. We use the EOQ to manage inventory. Then we say let D equals annual demand of units of stock. This is the annual demand of units of stock. This simply becomes the unit purchase price. Unit purchase price. See all your ordering. Stock ordering what? Let's talk about ordering cost. Ordering cost per unit. Alafu X inakuwa holding cost per what? Holding cost per unit. This is the same as the BAMOL cash management model. Huko kwa BAMOL badala ya T tulikuwa tunatumia T. Badala ya ordering cost huko ilikuwa nini? The fixed cost per transaction, ndio. Alafu badala ya holding cost ilikuwa na opportunity cost. So we are borrowing the same. That's that. So let's start with the stock ordering cost. Stock ordering cost. We say it depends on the number of orders. It depends on the number of orders made during the year. Number of orders made during the year. First stop, then you continue by saying, given annual demand of D units, given annual demand of D units, and any time an order is made, it is of Q units. We did say about Q. Q stands for what? The ordering quantities here. Q stands for the ordering quantity. Maybe here somewhere you can put Q, the ordering quantity, order quantity. Squeeze it somewhere. Open it to make a D, P, C, or H, C, also put Q somewhere, the ordering quantity. So anytime for the whole year we need D, anytime we order, we're ordering Q. Full stop and comma, number of orders would be D over what? D over Q. D over Q. Continue by saying, with the cost per order of C4, stock ordering cost would be number of orders D over Q times what? Times C4. Then stock holding cost. Stock holding cost is small subtopic again. Stock holding cost, you say it depends on the average stock. Depends on the average stock held by the firm. Stock holding cost depends on the average stock held by the firm. We'll start continue by saying, given an average stock of Q over 2, given an average stock of Q over 2, and the unit holding cost of HC, stock holding cost equals average stock Q over 2 times what? Times HC. Then talk about EOQ. We say it is the order quantity at which holding costs equals ordering costs. This order quantity at which holding costs equals ordering costs. So holding cost is Q over 2 times HC equals ordering cost D over Q times what? C4. Right? So can we make Q the subject? If we make Q the subject, in ile najua what? Najua formula. Sijika najua formula. Kwa hiyo mfano, najua formula hiyo Q. Formula exemptiwa. So if you make Q the subject of the formula of the equation, can you multiply both sides by Q? Prepare for denominators, so this one will go. Then you can multiply both sides by what? By 2. So this one will go. I'll have Q squared times HC equals to 2 times D times C4. We divide by what? HC. Then we get the square root. So EOQ equals to square root of 2 times what? Demand times C4 divided by HC. So these are EOQ. And if you have student academic marking is there, we shall be required to derive it. You only need to know the formula. And you need the formula for all duration from now. Can you say less than 2 weeks? You want to take care? Formula to the exam. I'll show you. I'll give you an NP. Then we go to the past papers. To say, in case the firm maintains buffer stock safety stock, buffer stock, I'm a safety stock. What is buffer stock? Pre-order quantity shall form part of the average stock. Buffer stock ni ile stock ambayo tuna maintain so that we can do. The buffer stock is basically the minimum stock level that the company can always be willing to reach. Tukifika hiyo level ya stock, then you are getting worried. We need to order. So the minimum, with the EOQ assumption that EOQ before, the company does not maintain any stock in the warehouse. But the issue of the buffer stock inamaanisha kuwa I know that when an order, the stock will not be delivered immediately. So there's that stock that I have to maintain in the company to help me continue operating while I wait for this other stock to be delivered. So the minimum stock level that the company has to maintain at all times. So kama tuko na balance stock kwa kampuni, the order level forms part of the average stock. Then tumwambie tuko na order level. Tukiangalia order level ama order quantity and the level of quantity, no problem, equals to safety stock, your safety stock buffer stock, then we add DDLT. DDLT stands for DDLT stands for demand during peak time. Demand during peak time. So tumwambie kuwa demand during peak time equals to annual demand, which is our D. D was the annual demand still, divided by 365 times peak time. That is, if lead time is in what? If the lead time is in days. Kama lead time equal in weeks, we shall take our annual demand divided by the number of weeks in the year. 54, 52, 50, examiner will tell us. That's how. Your time can go. What is lead time, by the way? Ile time tunangojea stock iko delivered, still. The time from when we place an order to when the stock is delivered, still. Yeah, so during that time, what is the demand? So therefore, in that case, stock holding cost, just like what you need, stock holding cost shall be equals to, we have Q over to the average stock plus reorder level. Q over 2 plus reorder level. And this one we multiply by what? X. Let's check the past papers. Anything is possible. But then repeat. Was tested in August. Question 4B. We have August 2022. For B, X Z together. Now, the following information relates to inventory relationships of X Z Limited. Annual purchases is 21,60,000. The purchase price per unit is 60. Current cost of the holding cost is 15% of the purchase price per unit. Cost per order placed is 240. Desired stock level is 300. So desired stock level, that's the minimum stock level. Still, the minimum stock level. Which is like the safety stock. This stock level was in hand initially. Lead time is how many days? Served on a lead time. Assume a 365-day year for 3 months, the economic order quantity. So tunamwambia kuwa hiyo Q equals to square root of 2 times D times what? CO over XC. So you have our EOQ there. But we have our D. How many units? How many units? 21. And the units or shillings? We need units. So we divide by 60. Careful. Is about the quantity, not the value. So the total, the purchases, the value is 2160, and each unit is purchased at 60. We are buying how many units? How many? 160. $96. So you have 36,000. That is our D. What is our C? All cost per order? Is it 240? What is our holding cost per unit? 15% of what? Which is 60. So how much is that? Kumbuka D ni quantity, not value. Right. So EOQ becomes square root of 2 times 36,000 times 240 divided by what? Divided by 9. How many units? This is one. I'm not kidding about which one? We are looking for the the quantity defines like this. Look at the note number 1. You're being told that annual purchases is of how much? And look at my English, how much, not how many. And this is about how many units. So how many units were bought at 60 shillings each at a total cost of 2160? Because this is always in units, the quantity. So it's our annual demand of stock in units. Annual cash requirement. Do you have units of cash or cash is just shillings? That's fine. That's our. So EOQ becomes how many units? 13. 1395. 1385.64. Na hizo ni units. So that covers the 3 marks. The optimal number of orders to be placed. How do you get number of orders? D over what? D over Q. So our D is how many units? That's 6,000. And Q tumepata 1385 point. How many orders are we going to make? $25.98. Nice on the orders, roughly 26 orders. That gives us the 1 mark. Right? Then they want us to get what? The order level. The order level equals to the stock times what? Plus the demand during what? So safety stock plus the DDMT. So yeah. How much is our safety stock? The desired stock level? 300 units. And how much is our DDLT? Kwa mwaka mzima tunataka units ngapi? Kwa mwaka mzima tunataka 36,000 units. Sindio? How many days in a year? Wametuambia 365. Sindio? And what is our lead time? 7 days. So vile tunajiuliza, if for 365 days we need 36,000 units, how many units do we need for the 7 days? So, for the 7 days that shall be waiting for this stock to be delivered, how many units shall we require? So what is our demand during daytime? The negative one goes down. How many? 69. 690. 690.4. 41. So therefore, reorder level becomes 300 plus 690.41. That is 990. 990.41 units. Right. Then you're told, assuming that for any orders of at least 2,000 units, the firm will get 5% discount on the purchase price. Analyze whether the company should take advantage of the discount or not. So in answering part 4, we say this. Answering part 4, we say this. We compare the total cost. We compare the total cost Under EOQ, we compare the total cost under EOQ with the total cost under the 5% discount. The total cost under the 5% discount. Then mwambie tu kuwa total cost equals stock ordering cost plus stock holding cost. Total cost equals stock ordering cost plus stock holding cost. So total cost yetu ni cost of ordering plus cost of holding. So stop them is saying when discount is involved, comma, purchase price also becomes relevant cost. Purchase price also becomes relevant cost. Where discount is involved, purchase price also becomes relevant cost. Hence, total cost will be, we have the purchase price plus stock ordering cost plus stock holding cost. Which I count the purchase price plus the stock ordering cost plus the stock holding cost. Tunajua kuwa purchase price is the annual demand, there is the price per unit. So that is our purchases. The annual demand, the demand of 36,000, we multiply by 6, we shall get our 2160. The purchases. That is our purchase price plus stock ordering cost equals to D over 3 times what? Cost per order. That is our formula for the ordering cost. Then stock holding cost, Q over 2 plus what? You have the reorder level. This is my case of reorder level. In case of buffer stock, reorder level also becomes part of the average stock. So you have to change your formula a little bit. So this one is what we multiply by what? X. So structures of components. Under EOQ and under 5% discount. So let's look for all those variables. How much is our D? D does not change here. That's 6,000. If you're going to bring in the discount for the whole year, we need that 6,000. How much is our price? Under EOQ is 60. When I discount 5%, purchase price of product. Let me change. Of something it's like 195%, 60. We got discount. So the buy 57. Right? So we have D, we have E. We need Q. How much is our Q under EOQ? 13. 84.1. 1385.564 units. And under the discount, if we buy how many units? So we sum at least 2,000. So discount comes in when you buy at least 2,000. Do you have our cost per order? 200 watts. Is it 240? It's not changing even when you introduce the discount, right? So already tuko na CO, kuna Q. Do we have the reorder level? Reorder level tulipata 990.41. Hata tukileta hii itabidi tu maintain. Then you only need to get our XC. XC equals to 15% of the purchase price. So hapa ni 15% of 60 ambayo tulipata ngapi? 9. So kurudia fili utapata the sense here. This other side will be 15% of 57 ambayo ni ngapi? 8.55. So can you get the total cost? So total cost as in an EOQ. Our demand is 36,000. The purchase price is 60. Plus P over Q, 36,000 divided by 1385.64. Cost per order is how much? 240. Right? Then plus Q is 1385.64 divided by 2. Plus the reorder level how many units? 990.41, right? And this one we multiply by what? We multiply by it. The holding cost per unit ambayo ni ngapi? Ambayo ni 9. Sio. Hiyo ni EOQ. So EOQ tunatoa information yake hapa. Discount tunatoa information yake pale. Then here the total cost. Total cost ya discount itakuwa ngapi? Annual demand is 36,000. Cost per unit 15 57 plus P is 36,000 divided by what? Q of 2,000, right? CO of 200 and what? 240. Then plus we show 2,000 divided by 2 plus the order level of 990.41, and this one we multiply by what? All this cost per unit 8.55. You utakuwa umemaliza. Total cost ya EOQ. Ya EOQ kwanza ni ngapi? 21. 384. Discount 2073 338. So discount is cheaper still. So let's say one price, right? Or they didn't tell you to advise. They needed us to advise. Analyze whether the company should take advantage of the discount and also comment advice. The company should take advantage of the discount. The company should take advantage of the discount.